Your car's leather seats are cracking, fading, and feeling rough to the touch. You've spent thousands on your vehicle's interior, and now it's aging faster than it should. The good news? The right leather conditioner can reverse years of damage and protect your investment for the long haul. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best leather conditioners that actually deliver results based on expert testing, thousands of real customer reviews, and my own hands-on experience. Let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. Leather Honey has been around since 1968, which tells you something right there. This isn't some fly-by-night product. What makes it special is its deep penetration formula. Unlike surface-level conditioners that just sit on top, Leather Honey actually soaks into the leather fibers, restoring flexibility from within. I've personally used this on vintage car seats that looked almost beyond saving, and the transformation was incredible. The leather went from stiff and brittle to soft and supple. The color came back to life, and most importantly, it stayed that way for months. Here's what you need to know before buying. This is a non-toxic formula, which matters if you have kids or pets. It works on all leather colors without darkening, which is a huge concern with many conditioners. One application lasts significantly longer than cheaper alternatives, so you're not constantly reapplying every month. The consistency is thick, almost like honey, which is where it gets its name. You'll want to apply it with a soft cloth and really work it into the leather. Give it about 20 minutes to absorb, then buff off any excess. Now, here's the one thing to consider. Because it's so concentrated and thick, application takes a bit more effort compared to spray-on products. You're doing manual labor here. But trust me, the results are worth the extra few minutes of elbow grease. If your leather is heavily worn, cracked, or hasn't been conditioned in years, this is your go-to solution. Links to purchase are in the description below. Coming in at number 2 is the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. What you're getting here is a complete 2-step system. The kit includes a 16-ounce bottle of leather cleaner and a 16-ounce bottle of conditioner. This matters because cleaning before conditioning is absolutely critical. If you're applying conditioner over dirt and grime, you're essentially sealing that dirt into your leather. The cleaner lifts out embedded dirt, oils from skin contact, and general road grime without being harsh. It's pH balanced, which means it won't strip the natural oils or damage the finish. Then the conditioner comes in with vitamin E and essential nutrients that actually feed the leather. One thing I really appreciate about this product is that it's safe for natural leather, synthetic leather, and sealed leather. Modern car interiors often mix different materials, so this versatility is clutch. The finish it leaves is naturally matte, not shiny or greasy looking, which keeps your interior looking factory fresh. Before you buy, know this. The conditioner works best with regular maintenance. If you're someone who details their car monthly or every few months, this kit is perfect. It's designed for ongoing care rather than heavy restoration. The potential downside, you're buying 2 bottles, which means you'll run out of cleaner and conditioner at different rates, depending on how dirty your seats are. Most people go through cleaner faster, so you might need to purchase them separately down the line. For the price point and the professional grade results, this is an excellent choice for anyone serious about leather care. Check the description for current pricing and availability. At number 3, we've got Meguiar's Gold Class Rich Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This is a 3-in-1 spray formula that cleans, conditions, and protects all in one step. If you're short on time but still want professional results, this is your product. Professional detailers actually use this in their shops because it delivers consistent results quickly. The spray application makes it incredibly easy to use. Just spray it on, work it in with a microfiber cloth, and wipe clean. No multiple steps, no waiting between applications. It's that simple. What really sets this apart is the UV protection. Sun damage is the #1 killer of car leather. The dashboard and seats closest to the windows take constant UV punishment, leading to fading, drying, and eventually cracking. Meguiar's advanced UV blockers help prevent this aging process. The formula is enriched with aloe, which sounds like a marketing gimmick, but it genuinely helps keep the leather soft and supple. There's no greasy residue, no artificial shine, and absolutely no white residue in the seams and stitching, which is a common problem with cheaper products. The one consideration here, because it's a spray with lighter consistency, it doesn't penetrate as deeply as thick cream conditioners. For surface level care and protection, it's fantastic. For deep restoration, it's not the best choice. If you maintain your leather every month or 2 months and want the fastest, most convenient option that still delivers quality results, this is it. Product links are below. Number 4 is Lexol Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. Lexol brings serious heritage to the table. This is what classic car owners and restoration experts have been using for decades. The kit includes both cleaner and conditioner, plus premium applicator sponges, so you've got everything you need to get started. The technology behind Lexol is really interesting. The conditioner uses fine oil droplets that absorb quickly into the leather rather than sitting on the surface. This restores flexibility and prevents cracking without leaving any greasy feel. Your seats won't look wet or shiny, they'll just look naturally maintained. Here's what you should know. Lexol is designed for regular maintenance and moderate restoration. It excels at preventing leather problems rather than fixing severe damage. If your leather is already in rough shape, you might need multiple applications or a more intensive treatment first. The potential downside, the bottles are smaller than some competitors, so if you have a large SUV with extensive leather surfaces, you'll go through it faster than expected. But the affordable price point makes repurchasing painless. This is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, time-tested product without breaking the bank. It's especially popular among people who care for multiple leather items beyond just car seats. Find the purchase link in the description. Rounding out our list at number 5 is Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. Weiman packs some serious technology into an affordable package. The formula contains 6 natural oils that work together to moisturize, soften, and restore leather. These aren't synthetic oils, they're natural ingredients that leather actually responds to. One of the standout features is the UVX15 sunscreen built into the formula. Just like your skin needs sun protection, so does your leather. This UV protection prevents fading, drying, and cracking from sun exposure, which is critical if you park outside or drive in sunny climates. The value proposition here is excellent. You're getting professional results at a very accessible price point, which is why it's so popular among everyday car owners who want their leather to look good without spending a fortune. Before you buy, understand that this is an all-in-one product. While that's convenient, it means the cleaning power isn't as strong as dedicated cleaners. If your seats are really dirty or stained, you might want to pre-clean with something stronger, then use Weiman for conditioning and maintenance. The consideration here is because it's formulated to do multiple jobs, it's a jack of all trades, master of none. It does everything well, but doesn't excel at any one thing like the specialized products above it. That said, for most people's needs, it's more than sufficient. If you want an easy-to-use, affordable option that delivers solid results across the board, Weiman is a smart choice. Check the links below for the best current pricing. All product links and current prices are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching.